Welcome to our YouTube video on how to view people who have poked you on Facebook. If you've ever wondered who has poked you on the social media platform, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps on how to do it. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Tap the search icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This will bring up a search bar where you can type in keywords. Step 3. In the search field, type pokes and press enter. This will populate search results related to pokes on Facebook. Step 4. Choose the pokes option from the search results. This will direct you to a page specifically for pokes on Facebook. Step 5. On the pokes page, you will be able to see a list of people who have poked you. You can also see who you have poked in return. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view who has poked you on Facebook. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.